Hey guys, Dr. John here. Today we're going to be looking at the lunge stance to single leg RDL. This is a great exercise to challenge the stability in that single leg stance, which is so important in everything that we do on a day-to-day basis, from walking to running to jumping, whatever it may be. So to get started, we're going to get into our lunge stance. Now, we're not actually doing like a split squat. We're not moving up and down, but we're getting into this lunge stance, and I'm going to make sure that I'm lowering myself from my hips, not my knee, right? This way I can get into a position where this femur is down, my pelvis is not rotated backwards, I'm not opening my hips, and also my knee is directly over my ankle and not coming forward, right? This would change it from now. I'm using a lot of my quads to stabilize that knee rather than allowing the movement to come from my hips and my glutes. So once we're in this position, we're going to squeeze the back glute, in this case my right glute, and drive ourselves forward over that left leg. Now once I'm in this position, I'm going to extend my knee and think that this head of my femur is moving back, right? This prevents me from rotating my pelvis open, even if I do extend my knee, and making sure that I keep my pelvis level across the entire way. And then from here, I'm going to bring myself back into that lunge position, and then we repeat. Now, if you're saying, hey, that's pretty easy, there is a way to modify and make it a little bit more difficult. So you're gonna get back into that lunge stance. We're still gonna go from a lunge to an RDL, but now you're gonna put your arms directly overhead. Now, same thing, we're gonna squeeze from our glute, drive ourselves forward, and move into that RDL position. And you can tell my hamstrings are really tight as I really cannot extend that knee. And then we're gonna move back into that lunge position and repeat. And that is how you do the lunge stance to a single leg RDL.